Hi everyone, welcome. In our last lesson we learned how to say not in French, in other words how to do negation in French. In this lesson we are going to continue with that. So remember, the equivalent of not in French is ne pas, or the N apostrophe and pas. The ellipsis here represents the conjugated verb, so what you have to do, as you recall, is place the ne before the conjugated verb and then the pas after. So let's look at some examples here. I speak is je parle. So take that ne and pas and wrap it around the conjugated verb here. And we have je ne parle pas. I don't speak. Je parle, I speak. Je ne parle pas, I don't speak. I work, another example. Je travaille. I don't work. Je ne travaille pas. So let's look at some examples with the subject pronoun tu in this lesson. That's what we're doing. So you are is tu es, tu es. If I want to say you are not, wrap that ne pas around the a. And remember that if the verb form begins with a vowel, then you have to use an apostrophe. So tu n'es pas. So tu es, you are not, tu n'es pas. You work, tu travailles. You don't work, tu ne travailles pas. Remember that the S is silent here. Travail. Tu travailles, tu ne travailles pas. You like, tu aimes. Again, the silent S. Tu aimes. You don't like. Notice the vowel, so the negation. Tu n'aimes pas with the N apostrophe. Tu n'aimes pas. Tu aimes, you like. You don't like. Tu n'aimes pas. You have. Tu as. Again, it's a vowel, so tu n'as pas, you don't have. Tu as, you have, you don't have, tu n'as pas. Okay, that's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. If you know of someone else that might find this helpful, I would appreciate it also if you would share the lesson. Thanks so much for watching. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.